how to reset your Wi-Fi repeater step by step. So over here we have similar to pretty much a Wi-Fi repeater. This is more specifically an extender, but it pretty much does the same as a repeater. Only this can be wired, but a repeater can only be as a wireless connection. But anyways, if you want to go ahead and reset your Wi-Fi repeater, all you have to do is when it's currently on, you're gonna have to poke a little hole around the repeater. It should be around here somewhere. Go ahead and look for a small hole around the repeater. Over here, mine is found in the left side, and it says reset. If we can go ahead and zoom in, there you go. It says reset, and we're gonna have to find something that can fit through that hole. So over here I have a little pin that can fit through this hole, so you can go ahead and check if it fits like this. So you can see it fits, and of course your repeater has to be on. So you're gonna have to plug it in to something with actual electricity, and so it should be on now. So here we have pretty much connected our Ethernet, our Wi-Fi repeater extender to something with electricity, of course. And if you remember, the hole was found here directly in the left. So all you have to do is poke on that little hole for a few seconds until you notice a change. So right here, I'm gonna do it real quick. So, and now it's gonna go back to factory settings. But once you do that, it's pretty much already reset, and you can do whatever you want with it to your new repeater. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.